back to the BusyBee Hub, the next generation customer order and job management software. In our previous training video, we demonstrated how to set up your organization's profile using BusyBee Hub's main settings screen. This is where you define your firm's account information, including locale, website URL, email, tax rate, and employee data. Also from the settings page, we showed you how BusyBee Hub integrates with the Stripe platform so you can receive customer payments over the internet. As you delve deeper into the application, you will discover additional ways to customize other elements that are not included in the main settings screen. This video will show you how to access some of these settings using BusyBee Hub's Enhanced Settings menu. From this menu, you will be able to define your firm's unique products and services, categories, and more. So let's get started. To open BusyBee Hub's Enhanced Settings menu, you must first access the main settings screen by selecting the yellow gear symbol at the top of the toolbar. Next, enter your settings screen password. When the page opens, locate and select the small arrow icon to reveal the Enhanced Settings menu. The Enhanced Settings menu includes several commands you've already been introduced to from the main settings screen. These commands include the account and company settings, change password and employee settings, as well as the Stripe payment setup screens. However, there are other enhanced settings commands that provide more in-depth customization. Some of these commands help to define job quotes, mockups, and other BusyBee Hub elements. So let's walk through a few of these enhanced settings. The Manage Item Categories command allows you to enter your unique products and services into BusyBee Hub. Once entered, you can quickly select one or more of these categories when building a job quote. To set up or view your categories, select the Manage Item Categories command from the Enhanced Settings menu. The Item Categories window opens. Notice that we have already included several item categories that reflect the sample company's products and services. Now let's create a new item category to add to the list. To begin, select the green Add Category button. When the Add New Category window opens, enter the name and description of the new product or service category. When finished, choose the Save Changes button. The new category then appears on the category listing screen. Let's jump over to a BusyBee Hub quote screen to see how you would use these categories. As you itemize the quote, you can easily choose one or multiple categories that you just defined using the drop-down menu shown here. We will show you how to generate a quote in a separate video. Let's move back to the Enhanced Settings menu, where we will look at the Custom Mockups command. BusyBee Hub lets you create and maintain mockup items that correspond to the products you use most often. When creating a quote, you can select a mockup from the drop-down list in the same way we define categories. BusyBee Hub stores your mockups so you can easily open the item and add a customer logo, giving your clients a chance to see the design directly on the quote. So let's add a new mockup. To get started, select the Manage Custom Mockups command in the Enhanced Settings menu. The mockup window opens. For this example, we have already defined several mockups. To add a new mockup to the list, choose the Add Custom Mockups button. When the Add New Mockup window appears, enter a title for the mockup, and then drag the custom JPEG or PNG mockup file to the upload space. When finished, save the changes and close the window to return to the Custom Mockup screen. The new Custom Mockup then appears on the Mockups list. Once these mockups have been defined, you can choose one or more of these items within a job quote and then overlay a custom logo. Let's open a blank quote screen so you can see how this works. To open a new quote, just select the New Quote button located at the top of most BusyBee Hub screens. In the Mockup section of the quote screen, select the Add Mockup button. When the Edit Mockup window opens, expand the Select Mockup drop-down. Notice all the mockups that were previously entered on the Enhanced Settings screen now appears in the list. Let's continue. From the Select Mockup drop-down, choose a mockup. For this example, we will select a banner. A blank banner mockup appears. Next, enter a title of the customer mockup. Now let's add the client's logo file by dragging a JPEG or PNG file to the Upload section of the Edit Mockup window. Next, use the adjustment tools to properly align the logo to the banner. When finished, click the Save Changes button. It's that easy. When the customer receives the quote in their email, they will be able to review the cost breakdown as well as the custom mockup. Your customers will love this added feature. We have only touched on a few ways you can define the many settings available to you in BusyBee Hub. To learn more about what BusyBee Hub can do for your own creative business, go to busybeehub.com and start your free trial today, or watch our other training videos.